Episode 5 of Food Freedom Friday is this gorgeous homemade chicken pot pie. To a food processor, add your flour and salt, pulse it together, then add your ice cold butter. I like to put my butter in the freezer 10 minutes before I need it, cube it up, then put it in the food processor. When it looks crumbly, you can add your ice cold water. When you compress it like this, you're ready to go. Don't overmix. Wrap it in plastic and put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Then you can divide it in half and start rolling out your pie crust. This is the bottom. You're going to liberally grease a pie plate and then add your dough to the bottom and go ahead and fold it under and crimp it like this. Set that aside, and now we're going to make our filling. To a Dutch oven or a large pot, you're going to saute an onion in butter until it becomes translucent. Go ahead and season that up with salt and pepper. Then add your flour to make a nice thick roux. Once it's nice and thick, you can add in your chicken stock and keep stirring it, and it's gonna become nice and thick. Add in the chicken stock a little bit at a time, and you're gonna find you're gonna get the texture and thickness you're looking for. Then you can add your parsley and rosemary to that. Keep stirring and then add some heavy cream. Once your heavy cream is in there and everything is mixed, go ahead and add your cooked cubed chicken, your cooked cubed potatoes, and I'm using frozen peas and carrots, but you can use whatever vegetables you want. Now you can pour it into your prepared pie dish and then roll out the top half and lay it on top of your pie crust and crimp the edges together. Put some egg wash on it, cut some slits in the top, and bake it at 400 for 30 to 40 minutes. And you got the most perfect chicken pot pie ever. Don't forget to like and follow for low carb, healthy recipes and Food Freedom Fridays.